In this video, we're going to be exploring how to manage health-related anxiety without becoming overwhelmed. Now, here's the first and the most important thing. We have to see what is happening. One of the really insidious things about health-related anxiety is we get sucked into it and we don't name it for what it is. We basically get in a pattern of thinking that if I research this enough, if I see enough medical experts, if I think about it enough, then I'm going to feel better. And so if that's the pattern we're in, we just keep doing that. The problem is it doesn't work. You can't think your way to a feeling of reassurance, because the more that we think, the more scenarios we come up with, the more information we think we now need to find that place of reassurance. Or we find a temporary place of reassurance, and then we have another thought, and then the pattern runs again. So to break out of this pattern, we first have to really name it for what it is. If you can see it, you don't have to be it. The next step is to realize that you can't think your way out. So once you've recognized the pattern, we now have to recognize the strategy that we're using doesn't work. We have to break the cycle. We have to train our mind, we have to train our nervous system to do something different. Now, this is tricky because there's probably a part of us that really believes that we need to have this anxiety because if we don't, something terrible is going to happen. It takes some discipline. It takes effective tools and strategies to do so, to start to shift our focus away from the thoughts to practicing regulating our nervous system. Now, we need the next step, which is daily practices. Be that a meditation practice, be that a moving practice like yoga, tai chi, qigong, be it breathwork, be it specific tools for working with the nervous system. But we need to retrain our system. If we just have awareness of health anxiety, we don't do anything, it's still going to continue. We've got to teach our system to function in a different way. Now, as we start to do that, what can sometimes happen is we then start to feel the feelings and emotions underneath the layer of anxiety. These could be feelings like fear, feelings like sadness, feeling like overwhelmed. We need to let ourselves feel these feelings. At the heart of coming out of our head is coming into our heart. And when we come into our heart, we often feel the feelings that going into our head was trying to escape from. But if we can let ourselves feel and to process and to metabolize those feelings, we can get a much deeper place of calmness in our system. Now, if you want to see some of these ideas in action, on my personal YouTube channel, I have a series called In Therapy with Alex Howard. And we had a series of episodes working with Al to work with his health anxiety. So do check those out. And if you'd like to find out about how we may be able to help you here at the Optimum Health Clinic with health anxiety, do book a free discovery call and we can explain how we work and how it may be of benefit to you. I hope this has been helpful. Thank you for watching.